Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we'll show you what to do if your font size is stuck on Snapchat. Usually what happens is that font size is too big and does not budge. So we'll show you today how to fix this font on Snapchat. So let's get started. First open your Snapchat. So you can see here that it's stuck. The font size is very big and I cannot move it. This happens because there is a bug at the service end of the app. So there are two things that you can do. So first of all, you can either switch off your phone and restart it, or what you could do is log out of your Snapchat and then log back in, and hopefully what you'll see is that the font size is fixed. So let's try it out. So here what I simply did is I restarted my cell phone, and here you can see I opened Snapchat and there was no problem anymore. I could increase or decrease the font size on my Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.